Hello everyone, it's May here with Craft Cottage Market, and I wanted to share a quick little flip through of my 5x5 notebook using our collection Bunny Dreams and Baby Things. I think it turned out really stinking adorable. Absolutely love the colors and everything about it. So we have a 5x5. I use a 1-inch wire, a 2-1 pitch. And when you flip in, you're going to have this little pull out that's held with a magnet. And just a little quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And also on my right hand side, you'll see a QR code to join our coffee. Over there in coffee, if you sign up for the monthly membership, you'll get the digital designs for this collection, and there's a bonus because I've made a PDF instructions on how to make your own little 5x5 notebook, and also I've added 10 more sheets to the collection. So there's so many perks if you join. Also, we have Skool.com. If you follow us there, I'll be doing some private tutorials over there as well. It's our little society that I am building and establishing. We're fairly new because I just built it, but you're welcome to join. So there's a little pocket there. There's pockets over here for you to insert. And I just love the little cottage because it's kind of the theme going on here. So these are the little note pages that I've added as a bonus. It's a total of 10 sheets, but I think they're so cute and they go so well with this collection. Bunnies is the theme, and there's my Carla, and there we go. Flip over, we have more pockets, more inserts. I just love these. I just love the collection. Smile. I try to use as much as I could from the collection, and again, oh, that one doesn't have a little thingy, but you get the little jits of it, pockets and bows. Carla loves bows. And then we have a little belly band there, and there's my little girl, Precious Nani, and then we have that one there. Over here, bunny hugs. Can never have enough bunny hugs. In fact, I'm going to be picking up baby Emma, so hopefully on Friday you guys will get to see her. And there's another little tuck spot there, and more here. And these are little journaling cards or tags from the collection. I love these. That little guy there, I think that's me. Giving flowers. Okay, and one of the great things about this is you can make a little memo pad, sticky pads. These are wonderful for gifts, but I inserted that in the back, and it almost reminds me of the one that I did like in 2019, 2018. I love it. I love it so much. Anyway, that is that. I love it. There's a PDF file with instructions on how to assemble that, but these are the bonus that you're going to get if you join our monthly membership. $10 a month, you get digitals, you'll get a tutorial, and I'm always giving little freebies, so it's absolutely, I think, a great deal for you to get your digitals, and you get a little tutorial to go with it. So if you're building, wanting to build your digital, and the perks about having digitals is that if you do make a mistake, like I make a lot of mistake all the time, you can print it out and start all over. And I can't tell you how many oops and blunders I had making this, because it was trying to assemble it. I would cut wrong, measure wrong, do whatever. But the great thing about it is that I did have a digital and I could print it, and it made a heck of a lot difference compared to buying a paper pack. Nothing wrong with that, but oftentimes if you buy a paper pack, you make a mistake, you have to go out and buy another paper pack. But the great thing about it, the pro of digital, is you can print it if you make a mistake. No problem, right? So yeah, that's the great thing about digitals, and I've owned thousands of digitals. Anyway, these are the sheets that you get. You get a total of 10 of them, and then you have like little belly bands and little side pockets that you can attach. Now I've printed this out on 80-pound cardstock. The colors are absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. I wish the lighting in my room would be a lot better for you guys to be able to value these, but let me tell you, we've changed the lighting. I've opened the window, moved my desk closer to the window. It just doesn't matter. I think it's just, there we go. Scripts and flowers, you can never get enough, and some distress. And then this little guy here is absolutely beautiful. Now these, you can take one of these and print it in the back, and then you'll have the back printed, but this is it, 8.5 by 11, 10 total sheets added to the collection already. There's 34 already, and so now it's a total of 44 that you'll get for $10. That's not bad, plus you get a tutorial. So make sure you scan that QR code, join us over there at Coffee, and also I'm going to put the link below for our Skool.com, where we're going to be doing like little videos. We can go live there and we can have fun, enjoy each other, create, be inspired with one another. So I hope to see you guys both on my Coffee and also over in Skool.com. I'll link it below, and I'll hope to see you there. Bye guys, have a great day.